At Falcon, we believe lawn care should feel effortless and look exceptional. Introducing Falcon's Rotary Lawn Mower series, electric series designed for quiet precision and everyday convenience. Falcon's electric series features 4 exceptional rotary lawn mowers, each crafted for powerful cutting performance with quiet, dependable operation. With Falcon, you get more than just a machine. You get a trusted companion built to last. The robust performance Roto Drive 46 Plus is a push-type lawn mower that comes with 1800-watt electric motor, offering versatile cutting. This machine is suitable for home lawns sized 600 square meters. The 18-inch cutting width, paired with highly durable blades, delivers sharp and efficient cuts every time. 30-meter electric cable helps in easy working in big lawns. The machine has a unique and portable design, making it lightweight and easily movable. These machines come with a high-capacity grass gatherers with indicators to avoid grass overfilling. Our electric series consists of 3 other models that suit your needs effortlessly. The smallest yet powerful model of Falcon is Roto Drive 33 Plus. You can choose this if you love a lightweight machine that suits up to 300 square meters lawn. For smaller home lawns, sized 450 square meters, the Roto Drive 40 is a perfect lawn mower. The Roto Drive 46 Pro can be chosen for 900 square meters area lawns. Efficient, powerful, and user-friendly, our lawn mowers are the perfect choice for anyone seeking a well-groomed, healthy lawn with minimal effort. Falcon stands for quality, commitment, innovation, and humanity.